Hi guys, welcome back. So today we've got this Golf GTE in for a Racing Line ECU remap. But before we jump into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also the notification bell, and then you won't miss if our new videos go live. So Racing Line Stage 1 ECU software on this car. So it's the OEM Plus ECU software. It's a Golf 7.5, so it's one of the latest Golf GTEs, obviously before the Mark 8. So this has got the electric battery assistance in it with the 1.4 TSI engine. So the engine by itself is making around 140 horsepower, and then together with the electric motor, it's making about 200 horsepower. So the Racing Line ECU software optimizes the throttle ignition boost all the other maps inside the ECU to increase the engine output. It leaves the electronic motor away to do its own thing. So we're going to be measuring the difference in the power standard versus with the Racing Line ECU software. Show that to you on the dyno, obviously talk you through the differences, and see you at the end of the video. Okay, so we finished off dynoing the GTE after putting the Racing Line OEM Plus ECU software on there. And you've got the graphs down here in front of us, so we're just going to talk you through it now. So the blue lines are the car as it arrived with us, and the red lines is as the car's leaving. And this particular line here is the torque, and then this one going up here is the horsepower. And as you can see, there's a big difference all the way across the rev range. And the way the car works on the dyno, unfortunately, we couldn't get the electric assistance to kick in. So what you're seeing here is just the raw power from the turbocharged engine. So standard output is about 156 horsepower and about 268 newton meters of torque. And then after the ECU software is leaving us with 187 horsepower and 319 newton meters of torque. So obviously a massive difference at peak power, but also within the rev range as well. And there's maximum gains of sort of like 31 horsepower at peak, and then around 50 newton meters as well. So obviously it makes a massive difference the way the car drives. Cars for Paul has actually done a driving review of this ECU remap, so we'll put a card in the video, so you'll be able to go and watch that if you want to. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously, if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.